Happy Nansay. Unit po ay gusto ko simulan sa pagkakataon. Thank you sa lahat ng pagmamahal at pagpili na mahalin ako sa araw-araw at pag-intindi sa akin. Thank you sa walang sawang pag-suporta sa mga gusto ko kahit ako minsan sinusubok sa iyo sa harap. Ang sorry sa mga mali kong nagagawa, ang sorry sa mga pagkakataon na minsan nasasaktan kita, sa mga salitang binibitawan na hindi pinag-iisipan. Ang mga oras na mas pinipili ko maging matigas o tama kaysa maging maunawain. Hindi ako perfecto, pero ang pagmamahal ko sa iyo ay totoo. At handa ako matuto at magbago para sa maliit nating pamilya. At ngayon, pinapangako ko na pipiliin kita araw-araw, kahit mahirap, kahit pagod, kahit hindi madali. Nangangako akong makinig, iintindihin ka at mahalin ka, hindi lang sa salita kundi sa gawa. At nangangako ako, nasasamahan kita sa bawat pangarap mo at nanghawakan ng kamay mo sa bawat pagsubok. Ikaw ang kakampi ko sa lahat. Ikaw ang lakas at kahinaan ko. Sa harap ng Diyos at sa harap ng taong mahal natin, pinipili kita ngayon, magpakailanman, mahal na mahal kita.
Bob, I honestly never thought na yung tao na kilala ko. I love story po namin. Bob, I honestly never thought na yung tao na kilala ko way back 2019 na varsity player ng grade 11 pa lang ako sa Oreo. Yung makakasama ko natin din. We met this year, we stopped, mas may girlfriend ko po ano, tapos tinawag ko kasi nalaman mo yung Then we disagreed, and somehow, like I said, the family. Fast forward to 2021, pandemic, online class. That time, ako naman may long-time boyfriend, 25, single. Ikaw yung nag-chat lagi para magpatulong about schoolwork. Tapos ako naman, go lang, helping girl. Hanggang sa hindi na lang school girl copy. Ikaw yung taong tinatakbuhan ko kapag hindi ako okay. I called you my best friend, kahit sinasabi mo ngayon na ako lang nag-date na best friend. You were there during my worst days. You listened to all my rants, kahit kauli ko yan. Kahit minsan wala na sense. You became my shoulder to cry on and my constant reminder na okay lang mapagod, basta hindi susuko. That's when we started saying, I got your back on. And hanggang ngayon, hawak ko pa rin. Moving on to 2023, parehas na single. That's when we started being super close to her. I literally had her back. In exams, projects, research, disability study. Minsan pati sagot ako na. That's really kung hindi dahil sa akin, delay ka pa din. Yan. Kidding aside, seriously, helping you reach your dreams never felt like sacrifice. It felt like preparation for us. Early 2024, nag-start kami higaw, then May 4, nag-meet tayo. We didn't have perfect relationship. You're not perfect, I'm not perfect. You made mistakes, I made mistakes too. But what made me stay is how you always choose to do better sa bawat nagagawa at pagkakamali mo. How you make now, how you step up, not just for me, especially now, for our daughter as I can see. So today, I promise to always be with you. Peace and assurance. I promise to trust your dreams, support your goals, and stand beside you para binubuo yung future na pinapangarap mo para sa atin. I promise to be your partner in planning, in building, and in dreaming, whether it's our home, our family, or the life you want to create. I promise to go with you, to choose patience over pride, to communicate even when it's hard, and to always come back to us. I promise to raise our child with love, teamwork, and laughter, and yes, with practical discipline and fulfillment. And no matter how messy life gets, I promise to always have your back. Just like we promised before, we will tell you that. Through every season, every challenge, every blessing, I choose you. Because maybe really did have an invisible screen cover all along. I'll always stay true to you and focus. Lastly, gaya ng title, so-called teaser natin, as always, I want to knock out.